जय स्वामीनारायण। I am Rajendra Patel, Standard 6 English Medium Maths. Friends, last period we studied about fundamental of basic geometrical ideas. Fundamental means the proper information about geometrical which we will study. Friends, according to this fundamental, based on this fundamental, today we are going to study about exercise 4.1. Sum number 1, use the figure to name. With the help of this figure, we have to give the answer of our question. First 5 points. Friends, this is figure. From the figure, which are 5 points in the figure? So look here, 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So points T, points E, point O, point B and point C. This is our answer. And every day point is denoted by capital letter, not in small letter. Our question, a line. Give the name of any one line. There are 5 or 6 lines in this figure, but we have to give the name of one line. Answer B, this is DB. Line DB is a line. EB also line, OB also line, but we have to give the name of only one name. So this is DB is a line. Now C, 4 rays. Give the 4 rays. Friends, rays have only one end point. Answer C. Friends, OC. Ray OC. 1. Then ray OB. Second. Then ray AEB. Then ray DB. We can say ray DE also, ray DO also, but this is the 4 rays. Now 5 line segment. Give the name of 5 line segment from this figure. Friends, DE is a line segment, EO also line segment, OB line segment, OC line segment, DB also line segment. So first line segment DE, line segment EO, line segment OB, line segment OC, line segment EB. This is the name of line segment. So friends, sum number 1, use the figure to name. We give the 4 answer of 4 question, 5 points, line, 4 rays and 5 line segment. Friends, sum number 2, name the line given all possible ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from 4 given. We have given a line and we have given 4 points on the line. With the help of this figure, we have give to as possible, all possible name of line. Friends, start from A. Here line AB. Number 1, line AB. Then line AC. Number 2, line AC. 3, line AD. Friend, with the help of line AB, line AC and line AD. Now start from B. 4. Line BC. 5. Line BD. 6. And line BA. Line BA. Now with the help of C, number 7. Line CD. 8. Line DB, line CB. 9. Line CA. Then help of D, line DC. 11. Line DB and line D. Possible line are 12. Once again, line AB, line AC, line AD. With the help of point A, 3 lines like this. With the help of point B, line BC, line BD and line BA. With the help of point C, so C and D, CB and CA, like DC, DB and DA. So there are 12 possible lines with the help of this figure. Friends, now sum number 3. Use the figure to name. With the help of this figure, we have to give the answer of our 4 question ABCD. 1. Line containing point A. It means the line on which point E is possible. Means ऐसी लाइन जिस पर पॉइंट E लाई है. तो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज द लाइन EF. फर्स्ट आंसर, लाइन कंटेन पॉइंट E means this is the line EF. EF is a line on which point E is containing. Second one, line passing through point A. This is point A. But which line is passing from point A? So line AB, line AD and line AE. All 3 are passing from a point. Any line you can write. Line BD, line DE, line AB. So line BD, other line, line AB, all line we can write here. Now, answer of C, line on which O lies. Where is O? So this is point O. O lies on line OC or BC. BC, line BC or line OC. These both lines are on points lies. Now, answer of D. 2 pairs of intersecting line. What is the meaning of intersecting line? In past we studied about intersecting line. What is the meaning of intersecting line? In a same plane, 2 lines are intersecting each other, means cross each other in a one point. Then these lines are known as intersecting line. We can see here line EF and line AB or AD or AE. Both are cross at point A. This is this line AB and this line EF. Both are cross at one point, mean intersecting. So these both line are intersecting line. So our one pair is line AB and line EF is intersecting. You can see here line CO and line AD also intersect at point B. So our second pair is line AD and line CO. Both are intersect at point B. So friends, we can say as second answer AE and EF also. Here AE and EF also. Here other answer AB and CO also. Line AB and line CO. Friends, this is our answer. Now question 4. How many lines can passing through one given point? Friends, this is a point, one point, suppose A. Tell me how many line can passing through. This is line L. Friends, this is line M. This is line N. This is line T. Friends, so many, infinitive, so many lines is passing through, line passing through a points, one point is infinitive, means unlimited lines we can passing from point A. But now second question, question B. This is the answer infinitive. First answer is infinitive and second answer number B. Suppose this is a 2 point A and B. So friends, a line passing from both point is only one, because try to passing other line. This is point A but this point is other, so it is wrong. So friends, in two given points, only one line can passing from two given points. Now sum 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitable in each of the following. Friends, point P lines on AB. So first A, we have to draw a line AB and point P line on lies on line AB. So this is point. XY and PQ intersect at point M. So friends, this is line XY and this is line PQ. It is intersect at point M, so write here M. Now see, line L contains EF but not D. Line L, this is line L. Contain means on the line. Which points are on the line? So E and F. Friends, this is E and F are contained, but D not contained. So D is right outside of line. Now friends, OP and OQ meet at point O. So D. Friends, line OP. So this is line OP and other line OQ. Friends, give the name of line O and this is Q. So both are meet at O. Line OQ and line OP both are meet at point O. So friends, today we studied about the 5 sum, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sum of exercise 4.1. Next period we will study true and false, sum number 6 and exercise 4.2. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.